To add money to your Pluxee account. 1. Open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, on your phone. 2. Log in using your registered mobile number or email address. 3. On the home screen, go to the My Cards or Wallet section. 4. Select the Pluxee card or account where you want to add money. 5. Tap Add Money or Top Up Balance. 6. Choose your payment method: debit card, credit card, or net banking, if supported. 7. Enter the amount you wish to add and tap Proceed. 8. Complete the payment using your selected method. 9. Once successful, the new balance will appear instantly in your Pluxee app under your card or wallet. 10. If your card is corporate issued, note that only your employer can load funds. You can't manually add money yourself.